This is a potato cannon that I made 3 years ago. The problem is it runs on map gas, and I don't really have access to map gas anymore. So today we are going to make it run on alcohol, or at least we are going to attempt so. Eventually I will modify this or build a new one that runs on alcohol permanently. So this will just be testing. Despite what a lot of people think, adding more fuel to a reaction won't necessarily make a faster combustion. You need enough oxygen. In my experience, adding too much fuel here doesn't make it explode. Explode as in combust. It just catches on fire and it melts the PVC. We need the proper ratio of alcohol to air and then light it on fire for it to explode. So the way this cannon is meant to work is with the map gas torch and auto lighting one. You put it through this hole which goes in the back and you press it down about halfway so it fills this with air and map gas, and the projectile here stops it from going further down the barrel, and then you press it all the way and it ignites and it just shoots the potato or whatever you have in the chamber.
Whoa!
1005, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004.
Okay, potato gun shooting to the end of the garden.
3, 4, 5.
But I need to run this on methanol. Well, actually methylated spirits, so ethanol with a bit of methanol added to it. I just put it in this bottle of some cleaner, that's why it looks like that. But I know from other testing that if you pour, I'm just gonna call it methylated spirits. If you pour methylated spirits in here and you shake it up and then pour out the excess, it works really well. But it's kind of picky, so I want to figure out how many sprays it takes. Alright, so we'll start off with one spray. If I was smarter about this, I'd make some auto lighting device. But instead of holding my fingers right up to the hole with the lighter, I'm gonna light a bamboo skewer, because the last time I tried this, I really badly burnt my thumb. Okay, I'm just gonna try and pour some methylated spirits in. So I think the problem that I was having, it was the methanol or the ethanol was staying liquid. But now it's hot on the inside, which means it's evaporating fast. Alright, let's try it again. Okay, so that works. Well, as I thought it would. Alright. So, 2 sprays work sometimes, but will 3? Okay, so it looks like 3 works better than 2 does. What about 4? So what I've learned is you have to go pretty quick. Okay, okay, it 4 works. That almost gave me a heart attack. That was so loud. And it was so powerful as well. So, should we see what the blast alone does to some water? Yes, we should. Okay, so schmuck factor of 4 led me to not bringing a hat, but that's fine because this is gonna be quick. Oh. So the ever-living schmucklord tried to put a tennis ball in the end, and which is too big, and he burnt the crap out of his thumb, so don't do that. Not sure if you can see this because of the horrible exposure, but I burnt the crap out of my thumb. So, don't trust the ever-living schmucklord. What happened is, it really hurts, so I'm just icing it. Try to put a tennis ball in the end of the cannon, which is too big, which meant instead of forcing it out this way, it came out here, which is why you should not use tiny lighters on it that go like that, because you will burn yourself. Oh.